Sometimes a colleague protects a sheet and then leaves the company. Or maybe you added a password yourself months ago and now it's gone from memory. Either way, you are stuck with a protected sheet you can't edit. But here is a fix. We need to open the VBA editor. You can either find it on the Developer tab or just press Alt F11. Now double-click this workbook and insert the following code. ActiveSheet.Protect, double quotes, comma, AllowFiltering, true. This line does two things. It reprotects the sheet but sets the password to empty. The AllowFiltering part is key. It somehow overrides the original protection. And just run the code. Run button or F5. Go back to the sheet, unprotect it, and done. No password needed. That's it. Now let's say you have multiple sheets that are locked. Instead of doing this one by one, you can unlock them all at once with this loop. Just pop that into a module and run it. Every worksheet in the workbook will now be editable. And you don't need to unprotect them manually afterward. This works in Office 365 for Windows. I haven't tested other versions yet. If you have, please drop a comment. This method doesn't recover the original password. It just removes the need for one. No brute force, no third-party tools, just Excel. And of course, don't use this on files that aren't yours. Be respectful and ethical. And don't forget, Excel's sheet protection is more of a suggestion than real security, and this method proves it. Huge thanks to apenguin on Reddit for finding this. Links in the description if you want to check the original post.